Let's start the new web syntax. That is very important.
Okay.
The new web syntax I gave last time on Notepad. Ganesh, you have saved that one? New web syntax. Yeah, given the Notepad with all web syntax.
I'll check, sir. One sec.
It's a HANA and okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I think I have this one here. This one only.
So I have only one read and loop. That's it. That's why that is one I have, sir.
This one new web syntax. I can share this one.
Can you share again, sir?
I will share it now.
No, sir. I won't have it.
I'm sharing now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Syntax. CDS space both. Subapp new syntax is not any complex flow. It can be understood only if you practice copy paste and understood what is happening. Because not any flow, this one.
Okay, sir.
So I'll do some things today, then you practice that. I gave also earlier one site. Do you remember Jagadish? One site I gave. I said to practice there from that site all the new web syntax.
Yes, sir. Develop.
This
Technical development.
this is a very good site. This one. Everything he given step by step here. Everything you can find here about new web syntax.
Yes, sir.
All you can copy paste and execute. You can do it in the GUI itself. This may be slightly, some examples may be slightly complex. We can keep it that in the class we can discuss.
Okay.
He joined, no, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can copy paste that link. You can copy paste. Just copy paste too, because I'm still my WhatsApp is loading. The Zoom meeting, our meeting
Okay,
link.
sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, Rudra. Copy is not happening. Also, this one more. You see my screen, no, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is one website, a very good one. You can find out all the new web syntax with a very good explanation. And one of the top website is JobYard. Any things will go into this site only. All new topics. How to write a query in Eclipse, everything they write here, they will explain here. new ABAP concept here. Directly you can copy paste and you can execute this one, all this code. Complete all the new projects. So we go this model only, new ABAP syntax. Old projects, still the old code will be there. And
So your
Voice is not.
voice is
Your voice is not working.
now it is working good, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's do quickly. We'll do some new ABAP syntax. No? So as I said yesterday class, right? So you can write all this code either Eclipse or in the either Eclipse you can write or you can write in the GUI as well. ABAP coding. Okay, but there are other topics CDS views where you cannot do in this GUI. You can go only for the Eclipse. So Eclipse and GUI purpose understood, right? Platforms only. This is platforms to execute your code. I mean, not to execute, to write a code. These are the platforms. In SAP GUI ABAP editor, you write the code, and then Eclipse you can write in the Eclipse editor. Okay. So I think last class I told you already, right? In Eclipse we have created one program or not? Yesterday class. Yesterday we created one program also, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe you are
No,
getting some
sir.
songs. You are able to listen songs. No,
First, sir. Now,
no noise,
no,
right?
sir. No, no. Sir.
Yesterday class, we read one program
No, no, sir. Just log in and
package we have created,
continue.
right?
Yes, sir. Packaging.
So if you go to HANA, and this is your backend HANA system here. Eclipse is only for development environment. That's all. The same ID and password you should use. right? So I can create a new ABAP program. Right click, new, other repository object, go to ABAP program. Click on next, new ABAP, syntax. New ABAP program. Click on next. If you want to create a new transport request, or you can use the create a new request, you can new ABAP syntax. Click on finish now. This is your ABAP editor in Eclipse. You can
Sir,
write.
one
Oh,
doubt.
huh?
Sir, in GUI reports and this program, any difference, sir? The same only we can view that in
We
GUI
can use
also,
the
right,
same
sir?
program. Yes, yes.
But no difference, right, sir?
Environment. This is only environment because the new model in the cloud applications and all, we cannot use GUI. You should go through Eclipse only.
Okay.
That is the only reason.
Here only create the reports and everything here only, right, sir?
In cloud applications.
So CDS also we run the it's giving the report format. Here also giving the report format. Any difference, sir? CDS and this one?
CDS view you cannot create in the GUI. You can create
No.
only
Oh,
program.
okay, sir.
Program.
Program run the program CDS also. This program also same running. Any difference, sir?
What is that CDS program?
CDS, sir. After writing the CDS, we run same report format. It's coming. This the program also copy and paste. The report is coming. Any difference, sir?
This report word. This
Uh,
one.
Sir, this is
No,
reports
no, no,
GUI report.
wait.
Okay.
I'll tell you the concept. Here, this is our Eclipse. Okay.
Okay.
And this is your GUI. This is the GUI here. Okay. And this is for your S4 HANA system. HANA system.
Okay.
Backend. Okay. So suppose you CDS view you create here. You must create here only. You cannot create the CDS view here. Okay. In
Okay.
the GUI, you
Okay.
cannot create the CDS view. Once you create the CDS view, so you are going to use the CDS view in the ABAP program. Either you can write ABAP program in the GUI here, or you can write the program here also in the Eclipse itself. No difference. Same program you can see in the GUI only. For
Okay.
example, now I write here, welcome to SAP ABAP uh, demo program. See here, it is automatically, it is coming single quotes. When you start a single quotes, it is coming automatically the double, that single quote one. These are the environment, development environment friendly, this
Okay.
one, Eclipse. So this
Okay.
throwing error. You can write statement here. Welcome to SAP ABAP program. SAP ABAP demo program, for example. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Then run as ABAP application. You can run here as ABAP application. No? This is the output. Right? Same program, you can open the GUI also. Same program. You can open GUI. You can read it here as well. Right? You can check this program available already in the GUI as well. So this program is available here. Right?
Okay, sir.
In the project sample, what we generally doing here is for a normal programs, we can write in the GUI also. No need to go to there. Mandatory, not mandatory, because we all are familiar with the GUI. If it is in the S4 HANA on-premises concept, on-premises. Okay. Whereas for creating the CDS views or AMDP cases, there is no option to create. We can create in the Eclipse only. But that you can access from the program. You can create a program for that CDS view or AMDP, either in the SC38 like how we are doing, or you can write the code in the Eclipse also.
Okay, sir.
Basically, it is a developer-friendly environment. This one, Eclipse.
Okay,
The same like user-friendly environment is for the Fiori applications. SAP say that Fiori applications, because browser-based applications, it will be user-friendly. So this is developer-friendly. Developer-friendly, if it is maybe already Eclipse, knowing person will be easy, but otherwise for us not so great. But yes, maybe going on using, there will be more things will be clear. See, for example, you can see at one place only all the things, right? What is that in package A? What programs are now you are available, you are having, and all you can see like this here only.
yes,
This is
sir.
not available there in the
GUI.
and the single quotes, once you give single quotes, it comes automatically. The closing as well. So we'll create a new ABAP syntax code. I'll write here only better. Go to here. New ABAP syntax 1. New ABAP syntax. Right, for example, take this one for example. Right? So if you take this one, select options. S underscore. right? So this is how you write the code, the new above syntax. If you see here, you are not declaring any internal table here. First, for example, you can write here, otherwise select MATN or MTRT, MATN, MAN is from Mara into table. At the rate data, IT underscore Mara. You can write this way. And for displaying the data, you can use this standard class. If you thoroughly practice this new web syntax and all, a lot of OOPS concepts also will be more clear. You can pass here your internal table, IT underscore Mara. You don't need loop or hide statement, nothing is required. Because in the new web syntax, comma is must. Activate this now. Execute. This is your output. So you don't need to do loop and all. This will take. This is tenant class. See here demo output, double click here. This is SAP class. Okay. And this display underscore data is a method. You can check it here. Display underscore data. Display underscore data. This one. Into this one, you are passing the parameter. The internal table here. Right? So if this is the class, what it becomes this one? What type of method this one? Static method or instance method?
Static.
Static methods.
Static method. Because we are using with class name. Right? Suppose you want to restrict the data. Suppose you have parameter here. Parameters. P underscore MTRT. Type Mara MTRT. So you want to get the data to be restricted, then you should go where MTRT equal to at the rate P underscore MTRT. At the rate is for escape symbol to differentiate the database variables or database fields and ABAP data objects. Okay, do you understand why we are using at the rate symbol here? Why we are using at the rate data here?
Inline declaration.
Inline declaration. So internal table will come. What structure it comes? Internal table.
Data.
all these fields, right? One,
Yes, sir.
2, 4 fields. You
Yes.
don't need types. You don't need types begin of, end of, now. If you write new apps, any new project, new things, we can forget the types begin of, end of. Don't need that now. Now if I execute this one, right? Execute, activate, execute, give a material type. You can see material type of only FERT data here, only finished materials here. Okay, they will ask these concepts, what the purpose of this grade symbols, what is use, why you use, especially when you are appearing for as as a fresher especially. So this one, how it works, this one, if I execute this one now, right? I'll put this one comment. Right? So additionally, you can create a new column here. So while you are practicing, right, do the similar function. Now, if I execute this one, what will happen? Check syntax. I have not defined the SKRD. I'll put this comment. Okay. Now I will execute this one. Right here, result or IT underscore S right. I give IT underscore S right here. Give here IT underscore S right. Check syntax. Activate. Execute now. Go FRT. Right. See the new column has come automatically. This extra column you are building. This is the code push down here. You practice this one without a new ABAP syntax, old ABAP syntax. This one, how to build. Then you get a lot of concepts and thinking. Okay. Let's think of what is this one will do. Which table this one? IT underscore SQL. Or value is good result here. Right. If we execute this one, what happens? I'll put a big point here. Execute. Right here. What is the result will happen here? right? It is coming the hours here. What actually we are doing here is the flight time you are dividing by 60. What the flight time, you can open this table parallelly. Go to SC11. SPFLI. Click on display. Okay. And what the flight time here you can see here. Flight time. Flight time is the time, travel time here. This is the minutes. Okay. So you are converting into this is hours.
Hours.
Hours. Right? Here. What could be this two? Think. This is the flight time. This 564 you are converting into hours. What could be that 0 to that 2? Let us make it 3 here instead of 2. We make 3 here. What happens here? Activate. Execute here now. Right? This is coming to 3 digits right here. Observe here. Truncation.
Yes.
So you can specify the accuracy here dynamically. This one. Division. What is the division? Division is the function.
Again,
Divide.
Division is function. What is FLT time? FL time?
flight time.
Like time.
Flight time field in the table here.
Field.
FL time here.
Here.
This is the field FL time here. And what this FL time plus 120? What will do?
It will add 120 seconds, sir. Seconds.
You can check it this one. Right time. It will be 120 minutes because it is a minutes only, right? Flight time plus 120. Basically, what is the concept here is you can do the arithmetic calculations dynamically. That is the concept here to tell. Arithmetic calculations earlier it was not able to do. We cannot do it. This one. This is what exactly code pushed on concept. Think of what this will do. All string operations, right? Concatenation, length, left. What is after as we are giving? This one. After as.
Field name.
Concat name, field name, new field name here. So if you direct execute, it won't come the output to unless you have the data in this table. Which is the table here? Demo underscore expressions. right here. I'll use the variant here. Just yes, save it, execute. Because you don't have the data in this table, that's why you are getting like this. But you can check it that one here. If you go to here in the table, demo expressions, see the contents. This is a demo table, SAP. So this is all empty data, I think. Right. So the same thing you can apply. You apply, try to apply for the Mara table. You know Mara table very well, right? You do a concatenation and all. Then you apply everything into your Mara table. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
See, maybe just I'll tell one point to all of every training I'll tell in office also. If you practice more, okay, it is not just it will make this concept will be clearer. The advantage to the you people is your analytical thinking will increase. I get your point here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your analytical thinking will increase, not just this concept will be clear. So that's what whenever we are doing the things, it is two benefits. One is your concepts will be clear what you are doing. At the same time, your analytical skills will increase because the IT industry is analytical thinking only, complete. Right? Are getting point here?
Yes, sir.
Think in that way and practice it, and then you can post in our group if any challenge. Don't wait for the next class. For example, this one also, right? This is like lower case, so upper case, so you can self-explanatory only. But don't read and assume unless you do it in system. Okay, this is what generally new web syntax must they will ask in the interviews. What things you are familiar? What is the advantage of new web syntax? They will ask. When they ask the new web syntax advantages, these are all the advantages. What is this one? We can, what could be the advantage? Just think of quickly and what you can tell. What you can tell advantage of new web syntax.
Simplify the code.
Reduce the code line.
Reducing the code.
Simplify the code. Okay. What is the main other than advantage? I mean, different features they ask. It's a different features. What is the major advantage? Major things like right? You can build new columns dynamically. This is what you are doing here, right? This one, new columns you are building dynamically here. Means this column is not available in the database, but still you are building, right?
Yes, sir.
And this example is like you can do the arithmetic expressions also dynamically. This is one more point to tell. Arithmetic calculations you can do dynamically. This is what the code pushed down exactly. Concept, what I said in the last class. And all the string operations also you can apply. This is not possible earlier code. Old code. Old code, new code. New code means new web syntax. From which version do you support? From 7.4. For example, quickly I'll show you one here. If I go to here, how do you apply this one? Go to here, comment this one. from Mora into table of the rate data. Not table rate because single rate at the rate data or carrier underscore more there. Then you can go here MATNR, fields already, and material type MTRD, material type, length of Maitner, and Maitner 3, right? MATNR, MATNR. So like this, you can apply your Mara table here now. Now here you can do here value W underscore Mara here. Check syntax. Activate. Execute now. Here is a variant. Right? So you can check it how it is working here. I'll open the code parallelly. Right, if we execute here, concatenation, right, material type and material number, right? Length is 5, right? Length. So length is not a field, but the value now, current value, right? You see here. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. FG 3 to 6. You can cross check this one. Go to S11 Mara table. Click on display. Okay. F3. F3, FG 3 to 6. FG 3 to 6. FG 3 to 6. This material is available. Yes. This material you are doing here. Concatenation this one and material type. Where is the material type here? FPRT. That's what you are getting the output. Length. Left to first three characters, right? Here you see the code here, syntax. From left to three characters, see. The lower of MATNR, right? Lower of MATNR. Here. So MATNR now, its lowercase is coming here. We are getting here. This is a capital letters. It's converting this one. uppercase is converted to uppercase. You can practice this one all. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Do this one as well. Mm, This one also you can do it. Do and try, think, and then do it. This is good. I can copy paste. Or you apply for your Mora table. Check what date fields are there. In that tables you can you can check it. This one also self-explanatory. Try this one. Apply the case statement. Take Mora table. Check the quantity. Based on the quantity, you apply this case statement. To slightly complex this one also you can try whatever is possible. And you this one also you can try.
Is this for the just some practice before next class?
You have to practice all these things now in the class. I mean, not in class. Next class, I start the new topic, CDS view.
CDS view?
Yes, yes. Okay. So already I give the document. Okay, go through it and I give also link. Okay.
Yeah, see.
Practice all these things. Then I'll start the CDS view. CDS view, new ABAP syntax is complete feature of ABAP. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll stop
Right,
here.
sir.
Okay, let's meet on Thursday. I'll tell you the time. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, bye.